know that everyone builds a picture in their minds of the world around us. Psychologists call this a mental representation. We aren't aware that we do this because it happens so naturally. We also do this to make sense of an illness. These representations are built on what psychologists call illness beliefs. These are our thoughts and feelings about the illness, and sometimes psychologists call them illness perceptions because they think mental representations are about how we perceive or see an illness. So a lot of research has found that how we deal with being ill is because of these illness beliefs or illness perceptions. Researchers are interested in the link between how people think and how people behave because it means they can make sure that patients are given the right information and support. A group of psychologists thought it would be best to develop a questionnaire that can tell us about these illness perceptions. They knew that different parts of being ill will be important to different people, and that they needed to know about a person's experiences to know what is important for that person. This questionnaire is now known as the Revised Illness Perception Questionnaire, and you may know it as IPQ. It has become a very popular questionnaire used in a lot of research. CAPS saw how it has helped with giving information and support to young people and their parents and has included it in their research. In CAPS, researchers found there are links between illness perceptions of young people and their parents. This told us that young people and those around them form an understanding of an illness together. We also found that beliefs about what caused the arthritis depended on what happened before diagnosis. This told us that experiences really do help shape beliefs. Since the group of psychologists that developed the IPQ gave the questionnaire mostly to adults, CAPS wanted to check how young people fill out the IPQ. So CAPS asked a small group of young people that were participating in CAPS to take part in recorded interviews where they filled out the IPQ with a researcher. They were asked to think aloud all of their thoughts while they answered the questions. The researcher was able to see what reasons this group of young people used to answer the questions. Here at CAPS, we heard what they said about arthritis and found the young people discussed flare-ups and the pain that is related to their arthritis. We found a link between pain beliefs and the impact pain has on their everyday life. And this got us thinking. If we measure pain beliefs instead of illness beliefs, we can use that to help with providing information and support in pain management. If we can help with pain management, maybe we can decrease the impact arthritis has on everyday life. So we got to work. The result? The Pain Perception Questionnaire for Young People, or PPQ-YP. But now we need to check if this new questionnaire is valid. This means, is it measuring what we think it should be measuring? We can check this with fancy statistics, but for that we would need your help. We need young people to fill out the new questionnaire, and you might be wondering why it should be you. Your help would make sure the questionnaire is the best it can be. If the questionnaire can help with pain management and decrease the impact of arthritis on everyday life, then it will be helping the children in the future who have to deal with arthritis and pain. On behalf of CAPS, I would like to thank you for your time, and if you want to know more about this type of research, please contact us, as we do love to talk about our research.